Welcome back, my dear students. Today we will start with second part of chapter 4, birds. Our topic is wings. As you can see in this picture, a bird is flying. Wings. Children, a bird has wings which help it to fly. Birds' wings have feathers, as I have shown before in the picture, and strong muscles attached to them. With the help of their strong arm and chest muscles, birds flap their wings and fly. Now, I'll explain you in detail how birds fly and move forward through this picture. When it flaps its wings, air moves over and under them. When bird flap its wings, air moves over, upper side and under them. The curved shape of the wings, this curved shape, makes the air above them move faster than the air below them. Clear? The slower air below the wings, wings के नीचे pushes the bird up and the bird flies. So how the bird flies? The slower air below the wings pushes the bird up and the bird flies. The flapping of the wings helps a bird move forward too. This flapping of the wings helps a bird to move forward. Just like a swimmer pushes back water with the hands to move forward, a bird pushes back air with its wing. Just like a swimmer pushes back water to move forward, similarly a bird also pushes back air with its wing to move forward. Now, what about the birds that cannot fly? A penguin wings are called flippers. These two sides, they are called flippers. It uses them to swim, and these flippers help the penguin to swim. Emus and ostriches uses their wings to balance while running fast. Emus and ostriches uses their wing to balance while they are running fast. The wings also help them reduce their speed, and their wings help them to control the speed while they are walking. Clear? Next is feet. Here you can see in this picture feet of different birds. This is the feet of sparrow. This is the feet of parrot. This is the feet of owl. And this is the feet of duck. Birds walk on their toes. Most birds have 4 toes. How many toes? 4 toes. But they are arranged differently. Like some birds have 3 toes facing forward and 1 toes facing backward. Like crows, sparrows and bulbul have 3 toes facing forward and 1 toes facing backward. And their toes help them to hold on to branches. Clear? Birds such as parrots, woodpeckers and owls have 2 toes in front and 2 toes at back, and their toes give them a strong grip which help them to climb and hold food. Okay, birds such as parrot, woodpeckers and all have 2 toes in front and 2 toes at back, and their toes give them a strong grip so that they can climb and hold food. Hawks, eagles, owls and other birds that hunt have sharp claws called talons. They are called talons. Birds such as hawks, eagles and owls have sharp claws and they are called talons. The talons help these birds to catch and kill prey. Their sharp claws, which is also called as talons, help them to catch and kill prey. Ducks, geese and other water birds have webbed toes. They have webbed toes or toes joined by a flap of skin. This helps them to swim. Thus ducks, geese and other water birds have webbed toes. I'll show you in this picture. See, this is a picture of different birds having different feet. Woodpeckers have this type of feet. Duck has webbed toes. You can see in this picture. This is a webbed toes. See, vulture has this type of feet. See the feet of sparrows. You can see the feet of crane. So, the different birds have different types of feet. Next is beaks. You can see in a picture the beak of a bird. See how pointed it is. The shape of a bird's beak depends on the food it eats. Pigeons, sparrows and other seed eaters have short, sharp and pointed beaks. Seed-eating birds have short, sharp and pointed beaks. Hunting birds have strong, sharp, hooked beaks to tear flesh. Hunting birds have strong, sharp and hooked beaks so that they can tear flesh. Parrots too have strong, hooked beaks that help them to crack hard nuts and seeds. Parrots too have their strong and hooked beaks that help them to crack hard nuts and seeds. You can see in the picture beaks of different birds. See, this is a picture. Beaks of different kinds of birds. They have different beaks. See, eagle have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Parrot has sharp and curved beaks. Duck has flat and broad beak. Sparrow has small pointed beak. Hummingbird has a straw-like long and slender. Manna, drongos and other insect-eating birds have thin pointed beaks. Insect-eating birds have thin and pointed beaks, as I have shown in the picture. Sunbirds and others that drink nectar have very slim and long beaks. Nectar drinking birds have slim and long beaks. Woodpeckers have long, strong, pointed beaks to make hole in trees. You have seen also hole in trees. So, how? Because woodpeckers have long, strong and pointed beaks which help them to make hole in trees. Ducks have flat bills or beaks that help them strain out water and mud from the food they pick up from water. And ducks have flat beaks, as I have shown in the picture, that help them to strain out water and mud from the food they pick up from water. Okay, that's all for today, children. Thank you, class.